Hi everyone, welcome back. Please subscribe, like, and turn on your notification. Well, starting over after 50 is equal parts freedom and fear, but lately I've found peace in the small moments like this. Just me in my kitchen, cooking, doing something simple and nourishing. There used to be a time when I rushed through everything, even meals. But now I take my time. Like, cooking has become a quiet reminder that I'm still building, still becoming. This isn't about being a chef, because I'm not. It's about reclaiming my time, my joy, and my peace. Like, I'm still growing my YouTube channel. I'm working part-time, I'm budgeting, I'm finding new ways to create income. It's a lot, but I remind myself, like, every new path starts with one step. I'm not where I want to be financially yet, but I'm not starting from scratch. Like, I'm starting from experience, and that experience is shaping me in ways I couldn't see before. Some people feel awkward doing things alone, but I've learned to enjoy my own company. Going to the movies solo, walking alone, cooking dinner for one. It's not lonely when you're full inside. So, like, this meal isn't just about food, it's about freedom, about knowing I can take care of myself, like, no matter what. So if you're over 50, starting over, chasing a dream, or simply figuring out next steps, I see you. Like, it's not easy. Some days you gain, some days you lose, but you just keep going. And that's what I'm doing too. Just one upload at a time, one meal at a time, one prayer at a time. So this is me, still building, still dreaming, still cooking my way through the unknown. So if you're on a similar path, once again, please subscribe and stay connected. Like, we're carving a new path, so let's not do it alone. Let's do it together. that brings us to the end of the video. As always, I thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.